The Vitagliano family from Western Sydney believe their mother Rosa cooks the best Italian food in New South Wales, and they've got a successful food truck to prove it. The family, which consists of Rosa, her husband Joe, and their children Ben and Mara, started Buon Appetit in Denham Court 18 months ago.
Cooks for about 12 hours. Yum. And it ends up being like this. It just melts in your mouth. Pasta. This is all made by hand as well. The little burrata things. All by hand. Yeah. It's so perfect and delicate. It's a burrata. So what we do is we put it on top of pasta, and then the customer will open it up, and all that yummy, cheesy goodness comes out. Okay. Delicious.